Vilafranca del Penedès, located in the third suburb radius of the metropolitan Barcelona area, is famous for its wine and cava production as the capital of the Alt Penedès region. Beyond its agricultural roots, Vilafranca is emerging as a hub for higher education, which is boosting local real estate demand. The town is well connected to Barcelona by suburban rail, with a typical journey taking around 1.5 hours. The renovation asset forms part of the urban ensemble of Centro Vila Square in the historic center of Vilafranca. It is a three-story mixed-use building with horeca and recreational functions on the ground floor. The backyard features a spacious terrace, a patio with palm trees, a swimming pool, and cellar premises. We proposed a light retrofit renovation without major structural interventions. The house has entrances from 3 streets, spans approximately 1,000 square meters, and could potentially be subdivided into 6 to 12 smaller apartments through a renovation design. Obviously, the enfilade room layout is subject to change, along with the electrical wiring and plumbing. Additional bathrooms and electrical sockets will be required. However, the antique decorative elements and beautiful wooden furniture are valuable assets that should be thoughtfully integrated into the future interior design. The neo-Baroque heritage of the interiors, combined with the character of the surrounding urban environment, offers strong potential for developing a distinctive and elegant home design. There is no doubt that the entire building requires a thorough revision of waterproofing in the basement, attic, and roof areas, as well as the revitalization of the green landscape and a rethinking of the ground floor functions. Effective insulation and the installation of up-to-date engineering systems will be crucial to meet passive house standards. The technical attic level could be insulated and converted into luxury residential space. Given the existing elevator, the preservation of green canopies and the reinstatement of the swimming pool in the patio could enhance the condominium to a premium standard. While revising the first floor layout, we proposed an option to divide it into 3 apartments without major structural changes. From the upper attic, the stunning rooftop views contrast with the aged ceramic tiles, which clearly require renewal and partial recycling to allow for added insulation, waterproofing, soundproofing, and vapor barriers. The second floor features a series of richly decorated rooms, particularly with wooden elements, which are worth preserving for both their historical value and potential savings in interior renovation costs. The house features several large windows with French balconies, an elevator, and a common staircase, making it suitable for renovation and subdivision into multiple apartments to form a condominium. Only the mezzanine level presents some challenges due to its questionable height. And finally, let's address the financial aspect. What would be the total estimated cost to convert all non-residential premises into apartments, transform technical attic spaces into additional living area, reconfigure each floor layout to allow subdivision into multiple individual properties, and upgrade the entire building to meet the EU-mandated energy efficiency standards? Thus, if we consider a reasonably economical level of renovation in Vilafranca, the total renovation costs before VAT could reach the following: approximately €873,000 for the renovation of the declared 995 square meters, including layout changes and segregation into several apartments. Around €245,000 to convert 250 square meters of the technical attic into livable space. About €18,000 for the retrofit of the terrace and patio. Approximately €20,000 for the facade facelift, and roughly €40,000 for upgrading building utilities and improving energy efficiency. In total, the renovation works could amount to approximately €1.2 million. Beyond construction, additional costs include technical studies and BIM modeling €10,000, COAG project approval €5,000, and the building permit €24,000, possibly reduced by 50%. Architects' design fees are €93,600, and technical architects' supervision is €36,600. The ICIO tax is estimated at €48,000, with a potential reduction of 50 to 90% for heritage and energy-efficient works. Utility connections for 8 apartments, €9,000. Now let's sum up. Total professional fees are €140,000. Fees and taxes are €86,000, potentially reducible to €50,000. Total estimated project cost hits €1.4 million with estimated timeline over 2.5 years.